painter. He is a painter. Painter. Refreshing. This juice is refreshing. Refreshing. Seagull. Have you ever seen a seagull? Seagull. Texture. I don't like this texture. Texture. Whistle. Can you whistle? Whistle.